Your Samsung laundry hub arrives in one piece. But don't worry, it just takes 4 easy steps to unstack it so it's easy to position. First, taking care not to scratch your laundry hub surface, use a flat tool to detach the side covers. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws beneath the covers. Disconnect the connection cable. And then unscrew the 8 screws to remove the rear brackets. For safety, lift the dryer off of the washer with the help of a friend and carefully set it aside. You're now ready to move your laundry hub into place and enjoy the speed and efficiency of your new washer and dryer.